Hello ladies, this is your girl Shantae back with a new video. So today I'm going to show you ladies how to do false lashes within 60 seconds. Let's get started. So now I will be using my tweezers to pull my lash off. Make sure you do it gentle because you don't want to rip the lash. And simply take the lash and place it on your hand, or you can just place it anywhere so that the lash won't get bent. And simply repeat the same step. Once you repeat the same step, you're going to set the other lash right there on your hand. It's much easier for me because I want to be able to make sure I know which lash I'm going to use on which eye. And then I use a little bit of mascara. I love MAC mascara. So yes, I use mascara on my lashes so that I won't lose my lashes once I put the eyelashes on with the glue. So just to protect my lashes, I like to use mascara. And then after that, I'm going to use a little bit of hair glue. I like to use hair glue because it lasts longer, and these are very thick strips on the lashes. So by them being very thick strips, they like, tracks. So basically I like to put hair glue on them because they last longer. So basically what you do is go ahead and take your lash off. You can use your finger or the tweezers. It's much easier with your finger, but for new people that never, done lashes before, you can use the tweezers. So after you grab your lash with the tweezers, you're going to apply some glue onto the lash, which is the strip.